I am Waqas Ali. I am from Pakistan. I am feeling so many things right now, but most of all, I am proud that I have won. This was the first time for Pakistan. I was the only one, and I have won it. In fact, no, this is not my win. This is the win of my family, Tech Education Foundation, my friends, for all their massive support. I am Waqas Ali from Pakistan. I won third place in PowerPoint 2013. I am Waqas Ali, और मैं पाकिस्तान से.
The bronze medalist and third place winner for this category goes to Waqas Ali of Pakistan.
Alternate two. एक के बाद एक. I play the first one and then we have to play. Okay. One love.